Vlogmas day number 2, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make the cutest Dollar Tree Christmas wreath, and it's perfect for gift giving or just keeping it for yourself. How adorable is this? If you're interested, just keep watching. Okay, so the materials you need are a wreath, you need a bow, you need a handful of poinsettias, and you need decorative Christmas bells. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take off all the tags off of all the items. And then you're just going to dump the bells out, and we're going to string each and every one of them. Well, actually, I'm only going to do 4. So you're just going to string them, and you don't want to knot them. You just want to place them down because we're going to tie them to the wreath itself. Okay, now I'm pulling the poinsettia leaves off the bunch, and I'm just laying them aside because I'm going to hot glue them to the wreath itself. So it's kind of hard to cut through the actual stem. Okay, so now I have them all out. Now I'm going to fluff the wreath. I said wreath. Wreath. You're going to fluff the wreath just like that. Okay, so now that looks good. So now you're going to take the bow and you're going to place it down on the wreath. You want to find the flattest part on the wreath. So that's where I want to place the bow. Okay, so now I'm taking my glue stick. I'm going to put it in the glue gun and get it nice and heated up for this project. So here we go. Okay, so now I'm hot gluing the bow, the back of the bow. Be careful you don't burn yourself. And I'm just going to gently place down on the wreath. Just give it a little pressure, just like that. See how pretty that looks? And now I'm going to place each poinsettia on the wreath just so I can eyeball where I want to place them, because I'm going to hot glue them on. So you can only do that once really without ruining the actual poinsettia. So now I'm going to hot glue each and every one and just place it down. I'm only using 3 for this project. Gently place it down. Hot glue in the other one. And now for the last one. Place it down gently. Look how pretty that looks. Okay, so now to put the bells on, I'm going to turn the wreath over because I want the knots to be on the back, and I'm using 4 bells for this project. So basically, you're just going to double knot them in the back, and I think I'm going to need a little hot glue for this because I don't think they're going to stay still in the front. So just double knot them and then we'll check it out at the end. Okay, so yeah, I definitely need hot glue. Okay, so I'm just going to knot the others on and then we'll hot glue them after. Look how pretty. It looks so pretty. All right. Almost done doing this. So I'm going to just go in fast motion so I don't bore you. Look how cute. So pretty. Okay, so I definitely need to secure these bells with some hot glue. So that's what I'm going to do now. And look how pretty it looks. So if you guys love this video and want to see more, be sure to be subscribed to my channel and press the bell notification and press the option all so you can be updated when I make new Vlogmas videos. So if you want to see more recipes, more Christmas crafts, just keep watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next. Bye-bye.